Hey guys, welcome to Start Trading. What's up, traders? What a wild day today. Wow, let me take a look at our TD Ameritrade account. Woo! We were up to 251,000 on the 27th. Set some stop losses, and we were at open at a little over 200,000, and then stuff started coming down across our normal trades. I'm going to go ahead and share with you our account and what we had been invested in. And if we go to the account here, you'll see that AMC, we had sold out of most of our AMC options and our AMC stock. During this sell-off and buying, we actually decided that we were going to sell off some of the AMC shares if it was dropping, if it dropped, and then buy in on the dip. So that's what we did. So we're back in our positions. We had originally bought this prior to this whole fiasco with the Reddit pump and dump or burn or whatever you want to call it, the squeeze. And I was building out our position because AMC, if you just look at AMC on where they were as a company prior to COVID and then after, you can see that they had a pretty strong history as far as the stock goes. And this spike is no different. They didn't have these types of spikes, but their highs were a lot higher in the past. Now, granted, this is 3 years ago, and television and the market has changed, but still, it was a good stock to be in because it was down to the $2 range. We got some options at $2, $2.50, and $4.50, and I'm really pissed at Robinhood. So Robinhood, I'm done with you. Now, here our portfolio had just started back in May for this particular one. It's our small stock portfolio, and we only put $10,000 in this one, and we rode it all the way up to 45,000. It's back down at 29,000. Not a bad return for the year, 300% return. Not a bad way to start off the year, but we had a lot of AMC here as well. And as you can see, we got some of these other great stocks that people are targeting, and we could not buy any of them. Today, I found out that we could, but by that time it was too late. We'd already taken another position, so we got about 100 shares back into AMC after our trailing stop losses sold us out. But Robinhood, I'm done with you. Likely, I'm going to transfer them out, just like people are talking about across the internet. It's the California to Texas move, the Robinhood to other platforms. I'm going to check out some. I don't recommend any. I just want to state that if you like what we're sharing, please subscribe to our channel, join our Facebook, our Instagram, and smash that like button across all the channels, and more importantly, share this video because I'm going to give you some tips today on what we're doing. This is not advice. This is what we're doing with our portfolio. So besides AMC and these other stocks that are kind of taking hold, we moved a lot of our money into Apple today. Not a lot, but just we sold off some shares and moved about 12,000 of those into options and Apple stock because Apple had a massive dip today. And I don't suggest you do the same, but that's what we did. And I think they had to have a correction just like the rest of the market. But we should see maybe a little bit more sell-off. But with Apple, I'm expecting like 3 to 10% max, and they're already down 10%. So I'm hoping that was the drop. And I'm not going to get too into the charts because we're all about start trading here, making quick decisions. So let's move on to our other pick, which is RYCEY. And this is Rolls-Royce for any of you that do not know what that is. And this stock, number one, it's the brand Rolls-Royce. 3 years ago, it was up in the 5s and even higher. It was actually up in the 20 range. I'm not sure what's going on with these charts right here, but I'll show you another chart in another video. I just want to point out that is down in the dollar range. Rolls-Royce is a dollar stock. And not only do they do, Rolls-Royce, the brand, automobile, etc., they're aerospace and defense, and that's what they're classified as. So they're taking a hit just like Boeing and other airlines and airline makers because of the pandemic. But this stock, we're stocking up on this because even if the company goes bankrupt or shuts down, we have the theory that that this stock will still skyrocket because someone will want to buy that brand. Somebody will acquire them, a SpaceX or a Boeing or some other airline company. So we don't think they're going anywhere. So I just want to share that with you. In addition to that, if we move over into our crypto portfolio, on Robinhood, we went ahead and took the dive, bought some Dogecoin. Now, the theory behind that is not that it's a good investment, but that at night tonight, when people have nothing else to purchase except cryptocurrencies, the market's down, I think there's going to be some momentum and movement here. And I think they're going to move into Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin, we didn't move additional currencies in there, but that's on the rise. So Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is on the rise, as well as other cryptocurrencies. One that we are invested in is Dogecoin. We are invested in BTC, Bitcoin. And the other stock that we're invested in is MBX. So if you want to check out MobiPay, I'll share with you our wallet. I like Product Hunt. I'm not endorsing any of these products. This is just what we're into, and I'm sharing that with you. So please continue to smash the like button while you're waiting for this to load. Share with your friends. Oh, it just jumped from 130,000 to 142,000, so that's nice. So that is our MBX and our Mobi wallet, and as you can see, it's doing quite nicely. This was down at the $25,000 to $50,000 range a few days ago. So MBX is a good one to get into. They are up and coming. They're about to get all their technology in place, and you could read more about them because StartTrading is all about the picks that we're doing and quick trades if you'd like to do them. So I'm Mark Bauman. I'm your host, owner of StartTrading, and I am here to pick stocks, trade them, and you can either follow with me or go on your own. We cover the top traders that we find across YouTube and other platforms. We identify who we like, and we share that with you. We don't do the research, to be honest. We research other people's research. So what we do is we'll research other people's research. We'll present that to you. You can make the trades if you like. We're making the trades. I'm enabling other people to make trades for me. So if you're interested in that, or if you want to be one of our either writers, commentators, or participants, feel free to write us at hello@starttrading.com. And last but not least, I want to set everybody in the right direction. Maybe not the right direction, but the direction I'm following, which is something that was created here that I found on Product Hunt that you might be interested in. It's called isthesqueezesquoze.com. And it's kind of keeping, not really up to the minute, but kind of the concise posts coming out of this squeeze. I don't like to call it a short squeeze because we were in AMC prior to all this, but whatever people are calling it now, all these investors getting together and putting their money in the same stock because they heard somebody else is doing it. Let's call it that. And basically, I want to keep you informed just as well as we're kept informed because it allows you to trade and execute quickly. Because one thing we can't buy is time. And at StartTrading, we acknowledge that, and we want to see you to become wealthy, and not just small amounts of wealth or maybe squeeze these short amounts of money, but independently, financially wealthy for years to come. So thank you for joining us. Go to starttrading.com. Check out our lessons. We offer 40 different lessons across 7 courses. We have a free portion of it for the basic learning, and then as you get into the further courses, there's intermediary and advanced, and a fractional payment to what you're going to learn. And you can come back here and join us anytime to see what we're trading in. And I appreciate you watching. Please smash the like button, share this video. Buy and hold seems to be the trend. That's what we're doing right now. So we're waiting for the dip. We're buying, bringing it up. Might sell off half of it. We're expecting it might dip and then pop back up again, so you always got to be ready for that. So when you get into the trenches, just buy, hold, dip, sell, buy, whatever you decide to do. Set your trailing stop losses so you don't lose money, but try to stick with us. We're buying, we're holding. Tomorrow, we're going to see what's going on in the aftermarket, and Sunday, and that'll inform our decisions for Monday. Monday, you may see a spike. You may want to sell a portion. and you might want to buy on the dip because that's what we're going to do. What that dip is, though, is what you got to watch out for. So be careful out there. Follow along with us if you'd like. StartTrading.com is our website. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great night. Have a great weekend.